Hey, dear Swissies and Switzerland lovers. There is an island in Switzerland that you can reach on foot for a few weeks in the year. This island is called l'île Ogoz, and it is in the canton of Fribourg, one of my home cantons. My grandfather came from Gruyère in the canton of Fribourg, so it is like a coming home for me. We reached the canton of Fribourg from Brienz over the Jaunpass in about 1.5 hours by car. The canton of Fribourg is best known for its Gruyère Gruyère cheese, which is named like the lake we are going to visit, Lake Gruyère. What you see now is l'île d'Ogoz in the canton of Fribourg, and the people there, you see them walk, they walk now on the part which is on the water when the level is higher than 668 meters above sea level. Yeah, when it is above this level, there's no coming through, you have to swim. Yeah, Rasta is with me too. Yeah, and we're looking forward. Hey Rasta, new adventure. This is a happening for all the locals living here, all the Fribourgeois, but of course for all the tourists too. They maybe come at the weekend, but the thing is, there is a lot of rain announced. And so the level of the water will be high again, and then you are not able anymore to walk to the island. That's why we are here today. Rasta already smells the water. Yeah, we will see if we go baddelen. You want to go baddelen, hè? Een beetje. Ga je aannetzen. Hè? Wat je go baddelen? And how is it? It's maybe less cold than Lake Gruyères. Lake Gruyères is a very cold lake. Gal? So this is now the beginning of the walking path to the island Ogoz. Yeah, it looks very, how you say, bright, but there is one here which is not that big to walk, you know. Ooh, so cool, huh? Yeah, cool, but maybe cooler from above. There was a strong wind blowing at this day, so I kept the flight time of my drone within limits. The waves were, of course, exactly Rasta's thing, and so he romped around like a young dog through the waves, back and forth, so many times. On the island of Ogoz, you can find remains from the 13th century. There are, for example, the 2 towers and a little chapel. You can even climb to the top of one of the towers and admire the surrounding area. However, one should do this with caution. The island is somewhat fragile and care should be taken. Since I should not climb with my foot anyway, I flew around the island again. Then it was time to go back to the hotel where I celebrated my first 1,000,000 followers on my Facebook site. Yeah, what a number. Here on YouTube, I think it will probably take some other 200 years.